Happy Wednesday, Lagarsan. I am traveling to Kathmandu and probably New Delhi for a few days, So today, October 15th, I'm starting my journey for probably close to a month. And I'll be doing some recording, the bloggings, that kind of stuff. So you guys will see my blog, and we'll show you, what's going on in the different part of the world. I know there's a lot of chaotic, in the international geopolitics, and hope it doesn't, kind of bad thing happens, to anybody, God forbid, right? All right, so I'll see you at the airport, LAX, and then to Doha, Qatar, and then to KTM. So I'm at the LAX Tom Bradley Airport today, Wednesday, October 15th. Not so many people here, but I see, pretty mild-sized crowd. All right, so I'm ready to embark immigration. Ciao. Qatar Airways, the lunch was served. It's very very regular lunch. And then I ordered for chicken curry. This is what it looks like, very simple. Rice, chicken curry, curd, or I don't know what is this, right? And very simple lunch. And my passenger nearby order veggies. All right, here we go. And this is what it looks like while we're on the air. Lunch was served. I think I should call dinner. It's like almost 5:36 p.m. I'm watching what is that, Priyanka Chopra and Addis Ababa movie, the what is the president, something like state. All right, let me enjoy my dinner. So good evening here. I think it's like 5:30 p.m. at Doha, Qatar. I just landed at Doha Airport, Hamad Airport, I believe. All right, so my flight is tomorrow morning, so I will just hang out at the airport and see what's going on here. All right, ciao. This is how it looks like. There are lots of, South Asians, as you know, right? Qatar, very, very close to India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. All right, this is how it looks like, the dome at the airport, Hamad, Qatar. They have like a small, park, kind of greenery inside the airport. Similar theme with the Singapore Airlines, Changi Airport. Yeah. All right, here I'm just taking this shots from the second floor. As you can see, the escalators. There's all shopping center. There's some cafe. Beautiful, the dome. Cool. Yeah, I saw this in different YouTube videos. Yeah, kind of tropical forests inside the airport. Very cool. This is the very popular garden inside the airport at Qatar. So let's have a look at it. All right, how's the garden? You have to go downstairs. You see, it's similar like Singapore. I believe Singapore has a similar kind of garden inside the airport. Yeah, see this, you know, the dome kind of stuff. All right, so there's like a restaurant, Chinese, Wagamama. And I'm exploring the garden, see what's there inside. It looks like kind of Costa Rica. You know, like tropical kind of, you know, garden. Uh, it gets you the vibes of summer, tropical weather, like Costa Rica, Brazil kind of stuff. And the waterfall here, beautiful. This kind of, you know, pond here. You see there? Okay. And upstairs. And here's a gate also. You can go inside, check in.